In this video, I will show you how to combine multiple Mixamo animations together. So we're going to be using free animations. It's absolutely for free. Mixamo is a free website that you can use. And I'm going to show you how to combine multiple animations together. So you can do more than 3 animations. You can do 1,000,000 animations. You can combine them. But you just need to know the method and the basics. And I'm also going to be showing you how to make those animations, the transitions between the animations, very, very smooth. So first thing I'm going to do, they're going to head to the Mixamo website right there. I'll put the link in the description for the Mixamo website. Click the link and you're going to go right there. Now the first thing we'll do is going to select a character. There are so many options for the character, but I'm just going to choose this little kid right there. He looks kind of good. So then after you have done that, we're going to download free animations. You can do however many animations you want. I'm just going to download 3. So first, you're going to go to animation tab right there. I'll do the idle animation first. I will do this one right there. Once you've selected that, what we're going to do, wait for it to load, then select download, go to FBX, make sure it is 24 because 24 is a default, the playback time for Blender, and then we'll do with skin, and then everything else should be the same, and then select download, and that should download. You'll see it will download from the top right corner. As you can see, we have downloaded it. Now once that has downloaded, now where we're going to go is that we're going to do another one. So I am going to do a combat one, So I'm going to do, let's say, he was idling, so I'm going to do a punch. I'll do a punch. So punching. Then after I've done that, I'm going to download. Everything should be the same. But this time, with the second one, the second animation I'm going to choose, do it without the skin. So it's only going to be the armature, okay? Just remember that. You only do with skin for the first animation. The rest of the animation, do it without the skins, okay? Then everything else should be the same. Then download that, and that should be downloading. Now once that has downloaded, now we're going to do another one. Let's do a defeat one. A 4. Let's just do 4. Something like that. Knocked out. Okay, we're going to do knocked out. So I have so many options, guys. So I think knocked out would be a good one. And then download it without the skin. Everything should be the same. Then download that. Now once you have done that, you're now gonna go head back to Blender. Let's go back to Blender. As you can see, this is Blender's default screen interface, I also say. And then once you have done that, now we're gonna import each and one of them, our animation. So first of all, I'm gonna show you how to make your user interface. First of all, this should be the dope sheet, and change this to the action editor. First of all, and then you should get another window and change it to the non-linear animation NLA editor. So I'll show you why. Now once you've done that, you're gonna go to file, import the FBX file, because you know that we chose it as the FBX file. Find it, and then you see we have the idle FBX. Now that should be done. Now once you have done that, in the action editor, we're going to rename this to idle so we can actually know. And as you can see, it changed in our NLA editor. Now once we have done that, now what we're going to do is that we're going to push this animation. That, as you can see, we turn our timeline on. It's going to be idle. As you can see, our animation is idle. Now what we're going to do in the output property, I'm going to change this to 1000, so we actually have space for the whole animation to fit. Now once we have done that, now we're going to move this back to 1. I'm going to import the other one. That is going to be, the FBX same. It's going to be punching. Import that now. Now once you imported that, I'm going to quickly move this up. As you can see, this actually works, but this is just the armature. So what we're going to do, first of all, we're just going to hide this first of all. Hide it. Actually, first, we're going to rename it, obviously. We're going to rename it to punch. Punch. Now once you renamed it, now what we're going to do, now you would hide it. Hide that. Just press H. Hide it. Now once you've done that, now when you press this armature, what we're going to do is that we're going to select this and get our punch animation. Remember, select this armature, this little icon over here, punch. As you can see, you'll get this over here. Now I'm going to push down this action. As you can see, we have this punch. Now what we're going to do is only select the punch. Select this punch. It should be orange. Then move it in front of the walk animation. I mean the idle animation. As you can see, our character will punch. As you can see, it punches. This is definitely not smooth. Look at this. It just straight away just goes into punch. Now to make this smooth, now what we're going to do, move this a bit up. We're going to press N. First we'll select this. N to go to the properties. And now we're going to, first of all, we're going to go to blend in. And select this and move it to about 10 or whatever you want. Now you see that we get this transition line. Now you probably see this in very much like editors, famous editors like CapCut and all of that. You will see this transition line. This is the smooth curve, okay? It's known as the smooth curve. Now as you can see, now it's be a bit more smooth, as you can see. Now what you can also do is blend it out as well. This one, select this one, blend it out, and you see the curve going the opposite way around. Now as you can see, we do not want this because look, it goes to the T-pose. Now I would not do this one, okay? I won't change this one. I'll just change the front one, okay? Now once we have done that, now second one is the last one actually is our falling animation. So we're going to import that, the FBX file, and our knocked out. Now once I've done that, as you can see, he's kind of knocked out already. As you can see, move this back. He sadly gets knocked out. Sad for him. Now what we're going to do, we're going to rename this to knock out fatality. Now once you have done that, we're going to quickly hide that one now, and then we're going to push this down. And then once you've done that, we're going to select this, our armature, and get this knockout fatality one and push this down. I'm going to put this, select this only, select this and put it in front of a punch animation. Now once I've done that, obviously we're going to blend it in. And then as you can see, our final combined Mixamo animation, as you can see. Let's get to the punch, guys. Punch, 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 punch. Sue. And then it falls. Now as you can see, we have this very this, he goes to the T-pose. The thing about this one is that it moves in, but it starts with a T-pose. So what you would have to do is that you're going to have to do not blend this one in. Some of the Mixamo characters are actually kind of annoying because they start with the T-pose and you don't really want them to start with a T-pose. Or what else, you can also like cut this off. Cut this off with a shortcut. And as you can see, it works. So that is the basics of blending in characters. So if you want a more detailed one, tell me in the comment section below and I get a more detailed one on how to make them come out of the T-pose, cut them, because then this will be such a long video and I don't want it to be such a long video. So please subscribe, like the video, and share it to anyone who needs it. So I'll see you in my next video.